Swim bait?
Huh?
Swim bait? All right, day 2, Clear Lake. Got out here around 5:30. There's a kayak tournament going on, so it was a bit of a struggle for me at the launch ramp today. We'll talk about it. Zoomed up to the main body, so looks different from yesterday. Same goal, beat that 5-pound, biggest fish of the year so far. You got a hell of them on your back.
Really?
Yeah, probably me too. You had probably like 30 on your back.
Shut up.
I swear, they're all in like lines. You got them when you shook it off. Do I have any on me?
Just like 2 on your arm.
Alright, let's find somewhere else. Ugh. Ration them out. You better savor each and every one of those.
We gotta make Felix's shirt.
Get me?
Get me! Exclamation mark. With a branch underneath it.
I can add this to the expenses. It's $200.
$10 and ship. Help yourself.
Yep.
Net?
He's about, yeah, 2.
Oh no, that's more than 2.
So, round. Man, this,
No.
huh? He was swimming with it. He swallowed it.
You saw your line going?
Yeah, I was going that way. I thought I felt a little bump, but I couldn't catch up to him. All right, let me get the pliers. $2.9.
2.9?
Yeah.
Biggest fish so far.
Oh, so 2.10, 2.9, 2.10.
Huh?
2.9, 2.10. It went to 2.10.
Say 2.10.
Well, it went to 2.9 and 2.10. Fat. Come on, we gotta break that 3. Let's see.
You said he was out a bit, or
He hit, I think, kind of close, maybe a couple pulls away from the shore, and he hit it, and then my line bellied, and then I kept trying to reel up to him, and I couldn't catch up to him. I just thought the boat was moving, and then when I finally caught up to a little tension, he gave a little thump, and then he was right there. Couple of kayaks in front of us. Let's get one more cast and we'll move.
What's that?
One more cast and we'll move. Yeah, this guy's headed this way. There's another. This guy's headed this way. There's another one behind him. Straight that way, left.
That would have been nice to fish.
Something's chasing these guys right here.
Huh?
Something's chasing the fish right here. They all came to the surface. Let's go to the other side. Just straight across. See those rocks, what they look like. We'll give it a couple rounds. Oh, that was a bass.
Huh?
That was a bass.
Is it?
He bloated. It was probably like another 2. Look at that thing. Well, maybe there's fish here. Although he'd been dead for a minute. Well, thanks for watching our boat ride around Clear Lake. It's more of a scenic video today than a fishing video. If you wanted to see all of Clear Lake and how it looks driving around, that's what we're showing you today. We didn't want to show you any fish.
There's a fucking 100-man kayak tournament and we don't see one kayak. No fucking boats. Holy shit.
Yep. Championship kayak tournament. 100 kayaks on the water.
If I was to guess, we're in the wrong area.
There, not one single kayak, not even one pleasure. Not even one pleasure kayaker.
No boat.
Yeah, we might have picked the wrong area to fish in. Yeah, we just wanted to show you the lake.
Fuck it. I'm gonna throw a rock.
Guess I'm saving battery by not recording fishing. All right, Crawl. You're due up.
In the rocks.
Due up. Due up for a tap. Oh, there's like a school of them down there. Look at all these.
Huh?
There's hella fish swimming around here. Oh, look, that's a good one.
Let me see.
Right there. It's swimming off screen. Look at all these. Boom, 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 boom. We're gonna get hit here.
Can you turn it off?
Yeah. Look at this hell of them. There's a good one. This one off screen. Well, that's the most fish I've seen on the active target here. There's one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh. Hey.
There you go. That's a good one.
Wow. That took forever.
Huh?
Just close up on shore.
Oh, this is close, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be like another 210.
I think that's probably the biggest. Where'd you cast to that rock?
Right in between the rock and the shore. Shallow. This guy was shallow. Two 8,
Damn, all of them that you caught.
2.8, 2.9, 2.8.
Cookie cutters.
It's crazy. Unless my scale broken. But yeah, that's about.
Oh, just got hit.
Yeah, it's a fatter one. All right, it's not just a scenic video anymore. Pretty nice houses. It's not gonna be in the water for some time. Oh man, I'm on the ladder. I didn't even know that.
Are you?
Yeah.
Where? Are you up and over it?
I think I went through it.
Oh, you did.
That trick shot magic.
Main lake sucks so far compared to.
Yeah, that one outlet to the left.
I hit that and go back in, right?
Yep. Maybe check out this coast, but if there are no good drop-offs, probably not. Is that a kayak right there? Might be.
Huh?
Might be.
Might be, huh?
I don't think he moved from that spot.
Here's the boom.
Give him some space. Alright, back where we caught the first one. Yeah.
Finally. Fuck. They're hugging the wall. I threw that shit on the rock and it fell in, and I pulled up and I felt them tug back. Oh my god.
Got one. Oh, he came off too. He came off too. Wow, that guy was on there. The hook just didn't come out. He had it. I don't know how I missed that guy.
Oh my god, dude. These guys must be small as fuck.
That guy was running away with mine, and he still missed.
Dude, I think they're picking it up on the fall, because I don't even feel the good sometimes. You want to go back around?
Yeah.
He's coming this way anyway.
Yeah, let me get one more right here off this point.
Somebody's coming.
Maybe they're gonna avoid it.
No, because you see a kayak.
He's going. Maybe. Don't turn in.
Let's go.
Don't turn in. He turned in, huh? Yeah.
Mark.
We're about to be rewarded right here.
No, you ain't. You know why?
Why?
It is the sun beating side. Go ahead. I'll give you $5 and catch a fish here.
Oh.
That's not all day. You got maximum 10 minutes.
10-minute challenge. 12:55.
gotta be a keeper too. Stevens Creek bass ain't gonna do it. Not even the fucking big fish are active over here.
They're here. I see them on the screen.
Right when you moved, they started jumping out the water.
Oh! Oh my god, that was a keeper, dude. That was a keeper. Oh my god. Holy shit, that felt good.
That was a small little inky dinky.
That felt good.
That was half an ounce.
Oh my god. That was my 5 bucks. Oh,
Of course the pole's gonna be 5
oh
ounce.
my god. Oh man, that was the chance. Last. Yeah, 1 minute. Last 1 minute. The 10-minute challenge. It's coming. Nope.
I've never ever seen you take this long in my life.
Loser. Well, maybe we'll hit this tomorrow morning. 31 feet. It's like the deepest I've seen here. Well, we found all the kayaks. Any rocks today? Oh, almost got that tree branch. Someone got that tree branch before. That one. Damn, they put hella line in this side.
Yeah. Every branch.
Wow. Yeah. Who's winning?
Not me. Mine is gone.
Hmm?
Oh, mine is gone.
Cut the wrong end?
No. Went to go just change the worm and I fucking cut the bait off.
Rocks are failing us. It's hot.
I just got hit.
Light one. Got him. Good one?
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
This side. Bringing them to you.
Oh, you reeled them almost to the tip. Look how much you got me no leader.
You need net school.
Another 2.9. Tapped it light?
Nope.
Oh, hammered it?
Oh yeah, the light tap, it was just like, don't quit that. And then he stayed on. I thought he let it go.
Ooh, leaking. Two 9 too? Shut up. Yep. 4 fish. 2.8, 2.8, 2.9, 2.9.
Straight cookie cutter bass, huh?
I guess. Man.
You haven't broke the 3 mark yet.
Yeah, and we haven't gone under 1 for a keeper, so
Oh, don't say that.
there's that.
We went under 1 yesterday.
Keeper.
Huh?
Keeper's under 1.
Oh, like 12 inch.
Yeah, it's either been a dink or close to a 3. Oh, got one. Oh, wow. Machine gunned it. No, he's not there. Ugh. Tapped it. Tapped it 3 times. Machine gunned it the last one. In case you guys wanted to see the south side of the lake. That's what it looks like. Oh, shit, sorry. Didn't even see you there.
How you guys doing today?
Terrible.
Terrible. That's not the answer I was looking for.
About 11 hours, 3 fish.
Oh shit. That's beyond terrible. You guys from the Bay?
Yep.
Yeah. Where you live?
Daly City.
Okay, I'm from Vallejo.
Okay, yeah, you close?
You go across there, like you're going towards that island.
Yeah.
You get to that island, hook a right there. There's some brand new homes. You'll see some big 3-story beautiful homes because there was a fire there.
Okay.
In that cove, fish this side, the south side of that cove, just along the rocky shore there, a lot of crappie and bass right there. And you'll even catch, like, I've caught 12 and 16-pound catfish on a crappie jig.
Wow, okay. Sounds good. We'll be there, thanks. Nice.
Another 2. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it to you. Don't scoop, just I'll bring it to you. He's coming, he's coming.
Oh, get him tired. Tired him out.
When you coming?
Hey.
Still in there.
Yeah, nice, dude.
For some reason.
$1.15 ounce, 1 ounce away. Good one.
I don't know why they like that spot. They do.
Was that the same spot you caught the other one?
I don't know. For some reason, there's more. Gotta be. That's not by coincidence. Another one.
Ooh.
Oh, he fucking came off.
Wow.
My God, he felt that one though.
Yeah, he for sure felt that one.
There he is. See him? Look at my line.
Yep. Not now. Oh, right there.
Oh my gosh.
Got him.
Do I? Oh my God. I do. Holy shit. Little guy.
Oh, got hit. There's a little guy. Yay, action. Yeah, these rocks. Alright, we took the advice of the man on the dock. Went to the spot where he told us. Doesn't look half bad.
Knock it off.
Look at that guy. That one's chasing him. You can see you can see the bait ball running and the fish behind him.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, there's a good one right there. Couple big ones down there right now. Alright, that's it. Just most of it out there on the boat. Get in my car and then go down this sketchy old ramp that they say is a ramp, but it's not a ramp. It's rocks. Loose rocks. See how I do on the first try. There she is. 4-wheel drive, baby. Ouch. Got it. Whew. All right, that's it. We're out of here, end of day 2. Didn't do as good as we hoped, but at least we caught a few fish. Schmo got 2, I got 2, we lost a bunch of taps. 12 hours of fishing, maybe closer to 13. I don't know, probably about 3 hours of that was driving around the lake. So, hope you guys enjoy the scenic tour of Clear Lake with a couple of fish thrown in. All right, well guys, we'll see you tomorrow for day 3. It's only half a day tomorrow, and then we're out of here. All right, for me and Schmo, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. It's a sketchy ass ramp.